All right, practice problem 1. This is really similar to the exit ticket. So this will let you know if you're ready. So which has the smallest rate of change? Explain. Again, I'm going to do easiest to hardest for me. So I'm starting with the equation. Now, this equation is not in slope-intercept form yet because there's a 2 here that needs to go. So you first have to divide everything by 2, and you get y equals negative 1x plus 1. Now it's in slope-intercept form. It has to be just a y, not a 2y, not a negative y, but a y. And so now I can see that the rate of change is negative 1. Now I'm going to go to the graph. Let's blow this up a little bit. Find 2 points that we can use. I see a point here. And here. So lots of points we can use. Just going to pick 2 of them. They didn't give us numbers. That means we're counting by ones. This is a negative sloping line. So I go down 1 and to the right 2. So the slope is a negative 1/2. All right. So I've got 2 of my slopes. Now for the last one, I'm going to have to use the slope formula. So x1, y1, x2, y2. We get 8 minus 5 over negative 2 plus 1, because it's minus a negative. So this is 3 over negative 1. So this slope is negative 3. Which function has the smallest rate of change? So that would be the fraction, function b. So the answer, function b, has the smallest rate of change because the absolute value of negative 1/2 is less than the absolute value of negative 3 and the absolute value of negative 1. That's it. You're now ready for your exit ticket. It's just like yesterday. You're going to give me the 3 rates of change, and then the last question you will tell me, you'll answer the question basically. That's it.